Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you car enthusiasts and safety-conscious drivers out there. We're talking about the TTXSCAM AHD 1080p backup camera. And let me tell you, it's the best lip-mount backup camera available in the market. Now, let's dive into what makes this camera stand out from the rest. The TTXSCAM AHD 1080p backup camera is designed to enhance your driving experience by providing crystal clear video output. It's perfect for aiding you when backing up your vehicle, ensuring safety and convenience. AHD 1080p High Definition. This camera employs analog high-definition technology, delivering a stunning 1080p resolution. It offers superior clarity and detail to make parking and maneuvering in reverse a breeze. But here's the kicker. Your monitor should support the AHD 1080p 25HZ PAL video signal. Hey there! Need to switch between mirror image and non-mirror image? Cut the white cable. Hey there! Want to switch from AHD to CVBS video signal? Cut the orange cable, but only if your monitor doesn't support AHD 1080p 25HZ video settings. To disable the guidelines, cut the green cable. And remember, always reconnect the power supply or the cable if needed. IP68 waterproof rating. This camera is built to withstand the elements. With an IP68 rating, it offers excellent protection against dust and water. You can rely on it for clear and reliable imaging, even in adverse weather conditions. 2 installation options. The TTXSCAM AHD 1080p backup camera offers you flexibility with 2 installation methods: bracket mounting or flush mounting. You get to choose the method that suits your specific needs. Front and rear view. This camera can be placed both on the rear and front of your vehicle, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. It eliminates blind spots, improves visibility, and aids in navigating and parking, ultimately increasing safety. So, there you have it, the TTXSCAM AHD 1080p backup camera, the best lip-mount backup camera on the market. With its stunning high-definition resolution, waterproof design, and versatile installation options, it's a game-changer for your driving experience. Now, let's see how easy it is to install this camera. Make sure you follow the user manual for detailed instructions. Begin by choosing your preferred mounting method, whether it's the bracket or flush mount. Next, connect the camera to your compatible monitor using the provided 4-pin mini DIN and DC connectors. And don't forget about the camera's IP68 waterproof rating. This means you can rely on it in rain or shine, ensuring clear and reliable imaging when you need it most. So, whether you're maneuvering into tight parking spots or navigating tricky terrain, the TTXSCAM AHD 1080p backup camera has got your back. It's time to enhance your driving safety and convenience. If you're interested in upgrading your vehicle with the best lip-mount backup camera, click the link in the description below to grab yours today. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.